First, measure the mounting space to make sure the mount will fit with your TV and where the best place to drill the holes will be. Hold up the template and mark where you are going to drill your holes. Make sure the template is level. Using a 3/8 masonry bit, drill into the brick. Insert the anchor. Attach the spring arm to the wall plate with the provided bolts using the provided Allen wrench to tighten securely. Attach the TV bracket. Then secure it with provided washer and nuts and use the provided wrench to tighten securely. Install the plastic plate to cover the nuts from the previous step. Use a screwdriver to tighten. Secure this assembly to the wall with the provided lag bolts. Add the decorative plates to the mounting bracket. Attach the Visa brackets to the back of your TV and then secure your TV to the mount. Raise the latch up and reinstall the security nut to secure the TV in place. Use the provided Allen socket wrench to adjust the arm to the appropriate weight. Attach the pull handle and then adjust the height to fit your TV in space. Route the cables through the cable management clips located at the bottom of the mount arm. Enjoy your favorite movie with the mounted mantle TV mount.